This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Summer Munyon. Ideal location with the perfect floor plan in a pristine setting. This traditional, ranch home with open floor plan and vaulted ceilings helps this home live large. The laminate wood flooring throughout combined with slate and tile in kitchen and baths is modern and easy to clean. You'll love the outdoor living with vaulted screen porch and patio within a flat, fenced yard. The white kitchen and granite tops with large island is perfect for entertaining. This home is in the heart of West Knoxville and only 5 minutes to shopping and restaurants. Enjoy evening walks along Ebenezer and Westland, residing in a highly ranked school zone. The neighborhood pool, membership required, is within walking distance and boasts a swim team as well. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information